Adricus Baxilog started as a push cart business. Nasa likod lang po siya ng school, tapos doon po nag-yosi yung mga estudyante, tumatambay yung mga students, nag-start siya bilang isang food cart doon. Madalas po siyang nahuhuli ng police dati kasi wala naman po siyang permit doon, kasi sa kalsada lang po siya. And then, 2009, when one space at the back of Lasal opened for her to be able to rent a space there. So, ever since po, isa po ako sa mga estudyanteng suki niya doon sa Lasal. So, naging close kami. Andiyan po si Ate Rica. Naging close kami. Tapos kinuha niya akong business partner no 2017 when she decided to open the business for franchising. So yung second branch po is UST no 2015. Tapos after po noon, nagka-franchise na po kami no 2017. So yan, Ate Rica started from 2 branches to 180 branches in just 7 years. If you're gonna ask, what makes sets us apart from the different Silog businesses that's there, that's even for franchising? What sets us apart is that we have this Ate Rica special cheese sauce. So lang po yung may alam nung timpla nun. So, if you wanna try the food out, we are just in booth D36 para po matikman nyo siya. So yan, cheese sauce over the bacon silog. Hindi lang naman po bacon, mamaya po may slide nyo po ako showing the different menus that we offer. And it is one of the fastest growing food cart franchise in the Philippines. Ako po yung employee number 1 ni Ate Rica noong 2017, so talaga nakita ko naman po. Dumating po yung pandemic, we were able and blessed to survive the pandemic, and ngayon po tuloy-tuloy pa rin po naman po yung pag-expand natin. So yan, like what we said, one of the fastest growing, we have branches in Luzon. The concentration of our branches is here in NCR. We also have branches in Cebu and also in Bacolod. We also have branches in Davao and Cagayan de Oro. So marami po pong mga locations na pwede pong ipag-openan sa outside Metro Manila. So yeah, ito po yung business concept, no? Adricus Baxilog is known for serving tasty, quality, fast, fresh, and clean superior silog meals in schools, commercial spaces, and supermarkets. No? With our efficient and friendly service partners, we offer all-day breakfast combo meals in a bowl. So kung mapapansin niyo po, kaya po kami on the go as our meals are, we're one of the first, no? Don't wanna claim naman anything, pero we are one of the first brands that offer silog in a bowl. So,